I'm Yolande Poirier from Oracle Technology Network, and I'm here today with Stephen Chin. Steve.
Thank you.
Hi. So tell us, what have you been up to?
So I've been traveling around Europe. This motorcycle here is not just a prop. It's actually the bike I've been riding around. And I rented it in London, where I started my trip, and have been live streaming hacking sessions with different Java developers and posting them online at NightHacking.com.
So what have you been hacking? What have you been doing concretely?
We've been doing JavaFX, we've been doing Raspberry Pis, we've been doing Groovy hacking, Scala hacking. I just had a little session with Bill Venners and we did some Scala cones. So it covers the gamut of different Java technologies, JVM languages, and it's very interactive. I'm even meeting with user groups where we do live events, show them some technologies, they do independent projects, and then at the end of the session we upload all the projects to GitHub and showcase them.
Okay, so are you doing more with JavaFX, evangelizing people about JavaFX?
So at the Munich Jug we had a good session where we took photos of some pictures of Duke who were hanging on the wall, animated them using a JavaFX application, and then published them online at the end, and several of the groups actually finished a completed animation with Duke rolling around in under an hour of hacking. So it was good. There was our first JavaFX project, but it was also a way for them to showcase what they were doing to the world.
So what was one of your most frustrating moments?
That would probably have been at getting the headlights fixed on my bike. But it was okay. So I was in Germany.
Okay.
And this is a BMW. It's a 1200 RT. So I was in good hands, and I went to the headquarters. And it only took 5 guys to fix the headlights.
Wow.
So it was well taken care of.
That's a good
But
start.
other than that, it's been very smooth ride. I've got good weather. I missed the snow by a week. Very little rain. A great tour. I've seen more of Europe in the past 2 weeks than I have flying around Europe for the past 2 or 3 years, because in that case all I see are airports and hotels, which is not that exciting.
So what was one of the coolest hacking you did?
Well, there was a lot of cool hacking, but one of the sessions which I think folks would really be interested in is they featured the Now robots of the Devoxx keynote. So they're robots about this high, and they're fully maneuverable with 25 motors and sensors for detecting collisions. And I got to visit Aldebaran Robotics in Paris and get a behind-the-scenes look at how they make the robots and the software and the design of them. And that was something which you don't normally get to do. Their doors aren't exactly open for the public to walk in and check out, but it was very cool, and that's also posted on the Java YouTube channel with the rest of the videos now.
So where is it? Where is all those hacking posted now?
So you can go to NightHacking.com. That's a central place for finding out more about the NightHacking Tour, and all the videos I post go to the Ustream channel. They go to the Java YouTube channel, which I think is where this will end up.
Yep.
And they also go to Parlays, which is the Devoxx technology video site.
Okay, and so you are doing more today. So what are you doing today?
I just finished interviews with Kirk Pepperdine on performance, Bill Venners on Scala tests and Scala cones. And then I'm going to meet with Emmanuel Bernard on Ceylon, the new JBoss language, and also Dan Allen on, well, something cool. We'll all find out when Dan and his buddies show up.
And so all of this is going to be so on the same channel?
Yeah, live streamed later today and recorded.
Okay, well, thank you. Thank you for
Thanks for having me.
Thank you for joining us.